From Ghana to Zambia, he flew with a dream. Gosh, was on a journey chasing love unseen. Met a queen named Lillian, beauty so divine. In the streets of Lusaka, their stars align. They traveled through the valleys, Victoria Falls breeze. Every laugh, every moment brought him to his knees. From Livingstone nights to Copper Bell skies, he found forever in her eyes. But love don't wait forever, time don't stand still. Every heartbeat asking, boy, what's your will? Cautious, cautious, be a man today. Lillian's heart no go wait forever, don't delay. Cautious, cautious, say the words out loud before another man comes and takes her now. Ghana to Zambia, love so strong, Ghambia. Two hearts, one song, where they belong, Ghambia. Now she landed in Accra, sunshine in a smile. Welcome like a queen, first class Ghana style. Range Rover waiting, G-Wagon by the gate. But love no be money, don't let it be too late. At Bessie Palm Beach, resort by the ocean side. Waves telling stories he can no longer hide. Families are grieving, nations align, but fear in his heart draws a silent line. She they look your face, you they look the ground. Love they shout out, but you no make a sound. What you waiting for, the world already knows. Now only you, never let your feelings show. Cautious, cautious, be a man today. Lillian's heart no go wait forever, don't delay. Cautious, cautious, say the words out loud before another man comes and takes her now. Ghana to Zambia, love so strong, Gambia. Two hearts, one song, where they belong, Gambia. Even the waves for Essie Pong, they whisper her name. Even the stars say love no be game. If you lose her now, who you go blame? No let fear put your fire to shame. She no need the car, she no need the gold. Now your heart she wants, make you just be bold. From Lusaka nights to Pakorich the breeze, she's waiting for one word, will you marry me? Cautious, cautious, be a man today. Lillian's heart no go wait forever, don't delay. Oh, cautious, cautious, say the words out loud before another man comes and takes her now. Ghana to Zambia, love so strong, Gambia. Two hearts, one song, where they belong, Gambia. If love is real, then stand your ground. Before her silence becomes your sound. DJ Pakorich made it.